Yeah.
This is Clouds in the kitchen and we're filming this guy here. Guy taught man who... Oh! Look at this. Oh! Patrick, you're having it first hand.
That's amazing.
Okay. อีกร้านได้ไหมคะฉัน Okay, look at this.
Hả? Được chưa?
Oh my god. Oh, jet my guy.
Okay.
No, oh, jet my car, sorry. Look at this.
Ow!
Patrick just... I can... Oh!
It's just going up.
Oh! Ikran. Ikran.
Trichan.
Ikran. Let's do it again. Ikran. Okay, here goes in the water. Here goes in the ice. Where is he? He just come back from the market.
Trichan.
Okay, Nung.
จับดูมือ
Okay, let's look at the hand. Ooh, cold hands.
Wow.
And there goes the chicken. Oh! Oh my god, oh my god. I'm speechless.
That's hot.
Okay, and the fried chicken. And the fried chicken is also amazingly delicious.
chilies.
Oh, and he still hasn't put the hand in water. Oh, ka. She's asking if we want a picture together, and I will say yes. Jao, he's from Vietnam. The BBC just came over here yesterday to get him to go to Vietnam to have a competition on who can handle more heat. I would imagine he won. This, by the way, this is our breakfast.
เอาหน้าร้านไหมครับ
Aren't we lucky?
Excellent.
Ka, thank you so much. Thanks.